Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Virtual DJ on your Mac. Fast, easy, and step-by-step. Virtual DJ is one of the most popular DJ software tools for mixing music, creating remixes, and performing live sets. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this guide will help you install it correctly on Mac OS. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Virtual DJ website, virtualdj.com. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can access it quickly. Once the website opens, click on the Download button at the top of the page. You'll see options for both Windows and Mac. Since we're installing on Mac OS, go ahead and click Download Virtual DJ for Mac. The installer file will start downloading automatically. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .pkg file. It's usually named virtualdj.pkg. This will open the Virtual DJ installer. Click Continue. Read the license agreement, then click Continue and select Agree. Choose the installation location, or just leave it set to the default. Then click Install. If macOS shows a security prompt asking for permission, enter your Mac admin password to confirm. Now wait a few seconds while the installation completes. Once it's done, click Close to exit the installer. Now that it's installed, open Launchpad, or go to your Applications folder and look for Virtual DJ. Click to open it. If macOS shows a warning saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. The app may ask you to log in or create an account, but you can also continue in limited mode if you prefer. Once Virtual DJ loads, you're ready to start mixing music, adding effects, loading tracks, and exploring all the powerful features built into the software. And that's it. That's how to download and install Virtual DJ on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.